Apple's intention is to make developers tell users in what way exactly their data will be used. Dear Android user, look at Apple, please.
At Apple, we believe privacy is a fundamental human right.
We worry that some 14-year-old is going to get stalked and something terrible is going to happen because of our phone. Let them know precisely what you're going to do with their data.
Hey everyone, Apple has changed user privacy forever. In this video, we will discuss about app tracking transparency, Siri and privacy, Mail and Safari privacy report, etc. If you want to know in depth about app tracking transparency or ATT, watch the very first video, that is TWD-1 of this playlist. It is down in the description box. Let's get started. Before I explain you each and every Apple's privacy terms and features, I just want to explain you what exactly is the privacy issue said by Apple. The problem is trackers track you across the apps and websites that you visit. They learn a lot about you, your behavior and everything on basis of all the websites that you visit, make a digital profile or fingerprint about you and sell it to advertisers. Advertisers then put relevant ads on your screen based upon your interest, and you can also end up purchasing something from the ad displayed. Apple's App Store has a feature known as Apple Privacy Nutrition Label. It is required of all apps on the Play Store and it discloses an app's data collection practices. These labels fall into three categories: data used to track you, data linked to you, and data not linked to you. Using these labels, a user can easily find what data they are sharing with the developer and what is the developer doing with that data. After discussing Apple Privacy Nutrition labels, it's time to discuss ATT, that is App Tracking Transparency. You can watch the video down in the description box to know more about it in depth. Now we will discuss App Privacy Report. App Privacy Report helps you understand how often an app used the permission you granted to it, that is access to your photos, your location, your camera. This data can be shared with third-party services which will be used to serve you ads. App Privacy Report lets you understand when an app shared your data with third-party domains. After getting to know more about App Privacy Report, it's time to know about Siri and privacy. Siri is designed to process as much as data as possible on device. This keeps our information very private. The neural engine found in iPhone helps in performing this task. The next major update in Siri is on-device speech recognition. This means your audio is processed on your iPhone or on your iPad and it never leaves your device. There is no unwanted audio recording as found in other virtual assistants out in the market. Now we will discuss in depth mail privacy protection. I receive a lot of marketing mails, and whenever you open any marketing mail, these mails use invisible pixel to know your exact location, your IP address, and to know at what time you opened their mail. Apple thinks it's your choice. It's the choice of users whether they should let these marketing mails track you or not. Now with iOS 15, inside the Mail app, there is Mail Privacy Protection. This lets the user disable the sender from viewing their exact location, their IP address, and getting to know whether you have opened their mail and if yes, at what time. Last part of this video and our discussion is Safari Privacy Report. With Safari Privacy Report in picture, trackers can't track you. They can't even view your IP address, which prevents them from getting them to know your exact location. Now let me show you the demo of how you can see which tracker tried tracking you in the Safari app. These are the phenomenal ways Apple has adopted to respect user privacy. Dear Android user, look at Apple, please. Apple's intention is to make developers tell users in what way exactly their data will be used. Apple believes this strengthens the relationship between developer and user. and user can trust the developer and continue using their application. Before we end this video, let's first understand how these major privacy changes benefits Apple. First, this improves Apple's brand image and builds trust among its users. Keeping these privacy benefits in mind, new customers would switch to Apple ecosystem and old Apple users will continue staying in Apple ecosystem by spending more amount and upgrading to the new models of iPhone or iPad. I trust you all have learned a lot of things out of this video. Share this video, follow on Facebook, follow on Snapchat, follow on Tumblr, follow on Instagram, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon. See you in the next one.